Is my chat working? Hey, it works now. Yay, we got the kick chat on streamer bot. Finally. Awesome. Keeps disconnecting for some reason. So, yep, I don't need to have my browser open anymore. That's perfect. Sweet. Alright, so today I wanna see if I can continue with the jetpack. Okay, let's go little by little. The thing that causes the issue, one little problem that I can start fixing is the gravity when landing, when going back to walking state. That's one thing that I really want to fix, and that happens right here. This gravity after going from falling. I want to get rid of this 0.5 gravity there. This is for the jetpack to slowly go down. Go down, but how can I fix this? Let's see. It seems to happen after falling all the time. Let's debug a little bit. I want to get rid of that that issue because it's gonna affect all my other falling states. So one jump and it lands softly. Two jumps, 5 seconds, it goes down. Why am I not able to see this thing debug? I should be able to. There you go. Ah, look at that. Oh, okay. It's happening immediately. So if I jump twice, there's a delay, it triggers. Only with one jump we are getting here, we're triggering this. And it's setting It should be setting everything to default. Okay, let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that stuff and see if we keep getting the landing, the after jumping issue. No. So the issue is right there. Okay. You know what? No, let's forget about this. Who is funding this project? My savings. You know what? Here is the problem. I'm going to not use this logic. I'm going to simply push from here. No, we need a land. Okay, let me see. We need a land event, or yeah, on land. That would be nice. I activate the jetpack for 5 seconds, go down. We need an on land. Can I do that twice? Oh, we might be able to get an on-landed event. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Let's try it out. No. Oh, easy. Is falling? Falls. There you go. There you go. It's not falling anymore? Continue with this logic. Instead of walking. I think that makes a lot more sense. A lot more sense. No, I'm still getting that. No, we need to disconnect this from. It cannot be on movement because this is gonna interfere with everything else. We need another condition for this. If not, all my other animations, locomotion is going to get messed up. Um, mhm. Mhm. Yeah, it doesn't really. Oh, it's flying? Oh, maybe? Wait. Yeah. Is flying false. And we stop flying right here. Gravity changes. No, no. This is not. This is not. This is not gonna work because this is gonna trigger before we actually land. We need a landing logic. This is yeah, definitely not going to work. No. This is not the way. I guess line trace. I'm not sure how to do that, but let's try it. We're gonna line trace down. Get actor world location. From mesh. What? Good. What? Why is it so hard to find the right node? There you go. Get world location. Start. Not sure where is this one to trace, but I want to trace down. Is tracing to location 0. No, I want to trace down. Let's see, vector. Vector down. Does that make any sense? And then we need to hit the landscape. Okay, from the same component get world location, node to start the point. From the component get world rotation, and get forward vector. click right and add vector minus vector. Okay. I don't think that's the one. Is that the node name? Huh. Cannot find that one. Oh, okay. Okay, I thought it was a specific node. No, it's just a substruct. Connect get world location. Make vector node with a value 0, 0, -1 second input. Okay. By a distance. Multiply by distance. Add a vector, multiply by float node. Just multiply. We want to multiply vector Uh, not sure, but UVs are always important, and textile density is always important. And lumen, I mean, yeah, I mean UVs is they're always important. It's not like lumen bypasses UVs. It's like it depends on how close the camera, your player camera, is going to be to the textures. Um, but usually 2K is good enough, unless you wanna do like very close-ups. In my game, I'm gonna use only 2K. Yeah, I cannot really do much without looking at your scene. It's really dependent on camera distance, on what type of assets you're using, how are they UV mapped. It depends how big the wall is in your scene. Like I can, everything's super relative. It's very hard for me to give you advice without looking at it. It's super relative to how big the object is in your scene, how far is from the camera. It's I cannot really give you any advice on that without looking at it. There's a Discord link if you wanna post an image or something. Cause just like that, I'm not able to picture what you're trying to say. Yeah, I'm sorry, I cannot really help you much without looking at it. It's very dependent on your asset, on your scene, camera distance. Again, like I'm sorry, yeah. The tiling of your material. There's so many variables. how far we want to trace. $20 meters. $20 meters. And add a start location. Vector plus vector node, connect the result of get world location from your first input, multiply the vector to the second input, connect the final result, and input line trace channel node. Okay, so vector plus vector, connect the get world location to the first input and multiply vector to second input. Add to the start location. I appreciate it. Yeah, sometimes I get very dumb comments, like very dumb comments from people, like very dumb comments. It's like, yeah, they are mad because they're watching like they're looking at somebody like trying to do something. It's like, dude, get lost, dude. Seriously, if you're not here to like support or motivate, just get lost, man. Seriously, it's just really projecting like they're. Vector plus vector, so it's just a add node, and this goes to, okay, definitely not doing this one right. Get world rotation node and get forward vector node. Right click on vector minus vector node, connect the get world location to the first input, make vector, and make vector node with the value of 0, 0, minus 1 second input. Multiply by distance, and vector multiply float by 500. Yeah, sometimes I get dumb comments like, brother, who is funding this project? And I'm like, well, I'm just doing it with my own savings. Oh, you should be good at math then. I'm like, dude, get lost, man. Get lost. Seriously, man. It's like, yeah. Let's see if we can trace. Build an atomic slash weapon. I do want to have a charge weapon, something that you can like charge and release. Instead of tracing to the center, we want to trace to this end position. But this end position, trying to figure out the logic here. Get world location node for the start point, okay? From the component, also get world rotation node, get forward vector node, okay? Create a downward direction, right click and add vector minus vector node, connect the get world location, this get world location, and subtract from okay, let me see if I understand this. So I appreciate it. Get world location, get world rotation, get forward vector, right click and add vector minus vector from get world location minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, then multiply by distance vector plus the distance I want to trace to, which is gonna be maybe 20 meters. Then add to the start location. This is what's confusing. Add to the start location. What is the start location? Vector plus vector node. Connect the results, get world location to your first input and multiply vector to the second input. Connect the final result to end. Well, there's just a couple. I have pin 1, pin 2 goes end. I mean, there's, yeah. Not sure. What else can I do here with these pieces? Let's just connect the dots and see if that works. It's shooting somewhere. It's shooting the line somewhere, but I want to shoot it down. Let's reset here. So let's see. So the start location, it's the character, okay? Poof. Then the end location is the character. Get world rotation, get forward vector. I don't need any rotation, to be honest. I need get down vector. Oh, this has no, okay. Yeah, zero experience line tracing. This is kind of funny. It's shooting to the same position there. What is this? What if I just get world location? Minus C? No. It's shooting to the same side. No. Okay, let's try to follow the instructions. For the start point, this is kind of confusing, like, to be honest. So the start location is this one, so this is just the start point of the end trace. Okay, so get world location from the same component. From the component, get world rotation node, get forward vector. Okay, create the downward direction. Right click and add a vector minus vector. Connect the get world location from your first input, make vector. And make a vector 0, 0, minus 1. Okay, everything's good here. Multiply by distance. Vector times the distance in this float. The first input is the result of the subtraction. The subtraction. The second is the float. Right. So add to the start location. Vector plus vector node. Connect the get world location to the first input. So where do we use this get forward vector? We are not actually using that here. It's like connect the result of get world location on the first one to the first input and the multiplied vector to the second input. Okay? Connect the final result to the end input in the line trace channel. So why are we using world rotation and forward vector here if it's not connected anywhere? Wait, is this minus from the forward vector? First make vector. Get world location is not get forward. This is the step I don't get. It says get world rotation and get forward vector, but it doesn't tell me where to connect it. Okay. It doesn't tell me where to connect it. That's the weird thing. Okay. I'll be right back. still tracing to the same spot. Can I bypass all of this and go like vector down? Also bypass this, vector down, starts here, goes down. Let's try that one. There you go. That's what I want. Just trace down. That's simple. Yeah. The Google that was complicating things too much. Yeah, just trace down. That's it. Right there. Good job. Psst. The less amount of nodes, the better. Vector down. Start. It's not a straight trace down. For some reason it's not a straight trace down, but let's get rid of all that logic and simplify. Yep, vector down, just like that. The more nodes you add, the more issues you're gonna have. It opens up the door for problems. The idea is to keep it as clean as possible. Why the line is not straight? I don't know. There's nothing giving this a rotation. Can we trace from the capsule and see if we can get maybe a straight rotation down, straight line down? Maybe. I believe capsules cannot be rotated. Still getting the same thing. Okay, that's a start. So that's the start. Next thing, is going to be break heat result. Break heat result. To detect if a character is touching the ground in Unreal Engine 5, line trace, perform a line trace by channel from the character's location downwards. If the trace hits something within a reasonable distance, use the impact normal from the heat results to determine the surface angle and whether it's walkable. A simple way to check your heat is to see traces, hit distance, to see if the trace's hit distance is less than the trace length indicated in something before you ray ended. Impact normal. Impact normal, okay. From the heat result, okay. To determine the surface angle and whether it's walkable. A simple way to check a heat to see if the trace hit distance is less. Hit distance, is less than the length indicated it hit something before the ray ended. No. Actually, you know what? Yeah, the distance. I mean, maybe we can do less equal. No, just maybe equal to 0. Yeah, equal to 0. It means that condition, run this logic. Let's see if that makes any sense. Oh wait, the print is wrong. We need to print here. Okay. We need to print before the branch. Let's see. It prints. Let's go through here. I don't really want to use a delay, because this is gonna line trace when I'm on the top. I'm on the highest point, but I want to line trace when I'm down, so I need to okay. I can yeah, the rest of the movement is working good here, so if I activate this when walking, what was the node I was using before? I think, yeah, that logic. It was just a check. Where is it? Where is it? I think it was this video. Event on movement changed. Event on movement changed. Crap, I don't remember how to call this node. Equal enum. Walking. No, your C drive. Jetpack trace. If this is true, trace. If this is true, do the line trace. Okay, let's see. That's good. My C drive is always full. I want to get a new drive just for that. Okay, let me see if this is interfering with my other stuff. Nope. Feels good. Yeah, those are awesome. I need another one of those for sure. This is kind of working. This condition is not really so good. Let's change it to is less than. Oh yeah, definitely. Is less than 1 meter, you can activate the condition. Let's see if that makes sense. Nope. No, I think I might have this good. Yeah, it needs to be 0. And reset right here. Yeah. I don't really understand what's happening here. Ah, the condition is not being met. If I touch the ground, line trace 13. Line trace 8. Okay. It cannot be equal to 0. Oh crap. Oh my god, this is not. If I go less or equal to 15, it's not gonna allow me to jump. I think I need to use a delay. Yeah, it's not gonna allow me. As soon as I reach 15 centimeters, it's gonna push the gravity down again. Oh, okay. You know what? No, this I was right with this. We cannot trigger this here. this needs to be a delay. The problem is that what if we do a retrievable delay? There you go. Only when we are falling is gonna start I don't know. Let's see what happens. No, damn, there needs to be a better solution for this. No, 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 no. Wait. Wait. We have that logic there. This is how can I call this thing? I don't. Jesus, I don't want to use. No. Oh my god, roadblock. All right, let's see if I can get some help. All right, let's see. Let's use all the cards I got. A bug spawner. I know. There's something that we did similar to this. Bug spawner. Here, we got some cool logic. Set actor tick enabled. and this activates the tick just for a couple of seconds. Don't really want to use stick. Start tick timer. No. Yeah, I know it's already being used here. Crap. Don't really know how to do this. And the unlanded logic is here. Oh, wait. Oh, we have a variable for just landed. Wait. Oh. Hey, we have a variable for just landed. Oh, very, very smart right there. Very smart. Just need to get just landed. Check. Continue. Don't set it, get it. Just landed, get just landed. Okay, we're going somewhere. So set is it going to do the jetpack trace? Only if we land it. There you go. I think this makes sense. I think this makes a lot of sense. And we don't need that. Okay, we go. No. This just landed variable Let's make another. I think that's not the one we need. We might be into something here. No, I don't want to set just landed. I want to be just a branch. No, we don't need it. Not a set. No. We need a branch. This is how it works. Branch condition just landed. Let's try it this way. Let's try this one first. This is being set, then it's being unset. So that just landed variable might not work for this. So let's use the one that I made, which is jetpack trace. Instead, we are setting jetpack trace. We are setting jetpack trace here. Okay. Okay. Don't trace anything, don't trace. No, don't trace there. Fuck. Why are you tracing there? If we haven't landed. Oh, it's setting it to true when we are already in the ground. Jesus Christ. Okay. Let's try something different. Let's set the variable a little bit different. Hopefully this is not gonna It's just gonna set a variable. It shouldn't do anything else. It should not mess with anything else. Event changed. Event of on movement changed. Equal enum walking. Here I want to set my jetpack trace only when we are in the ground. Jetpack trace condition true. Then we can trigger. I don't want to execute from here. I want to execute from here. Once they work, I will organize them. Okay, it's not messing up the rest. Let's go 1, 2. Oh, why is it line tracing there? Fuck. Yeah, I'm trying to make a jetpack, but working with the RPG engine, and it is using GASP, and it's very complex, like the whole animation thing. So I'm trying to get the jetpack logic as good as possible, and then I'm gonna ask the developer to help me with the animation part of things. Yeah, this movement change, this is not, we cannot really call it here. Wow. Okay, yeah, this one is tough. This one is tough. It's time to look for reinforcements. Oh, crap. Okay. Yeah. Um, all right. So the thing is this. I had it somewhat working. The problem that is I was using event of movement on movement changed falling, and that was affecting all my other animations. So that was not the way. I'm trying to go into a jetpack and then go down, and when I hit the ground I wanna line trace to go back to normal locomotion. So I'm trying to figure out how can I fire this execution pin. I tried like everything with event, movement change, falling falls, walking through. It just really messes up the rest. So I need to fire this execution pin, and I thought, what if we set up a boolean variable and go from there? It doesn't do it. Make a break node in the blueprint. Are you talking about debugging, like breaking, like debugging? That's nice. Let's see. We got some reinforcements. Hey, how's it going? Yes. Oh, let me know whenever you're ready. Don't worry. All right. So this is what I got going on. I'm trying to create a jetpack. So I got the logic to fire up, but I'm trying to make a landing. So here I do one jump, everything's cool. When I go double jump, shoots the jetpack, and it goes back down. And when I go back down, I'm trying to figure out how can I line trace or tell the character that is in the floor so it can reset all my character movement variables to back to normal and replay the animation blueprint. And I don't know how to fire this pin. I tried event on movement changed, walking through, falling falls, but this messes up my other jumps and animations. So branch, and boolean, falling through, and jetpack Okay. Condition branch, and this branch we fire from the end of the jetpack. I haven't thought of this one. An end boolean. Okay, so this jetpack logic gets set here. It's falling. This doesn't really do much, I think, because it comes from I believe that it might come from here, but it's gonna be the same falling. Just so the logic goes like this. On enhanced input, I have this event dispatcher that comes from here. So the double jump ability gets fired right here, and I'm instead of this was the old double jump, right? So instead of the old line trace only once. So this was the old double jump, right? It used to play just an animation right here. So I changed that to my logic, which is an event dispatcher on the BP main component. So this logic gets fired with double space bar, and then we get here and it starts firing here. We have do once, jump, character movement, set movement to flying, and then we change the C velocity so we can like jump higher. We get jump max hold time so we can float. Character movement, gravity scale 0, air control 5, air control boost 4, air control boost velocity 400 to give like that movement of kind of like jetpack. Velocity C 250. And then we and here I'm just trying to stop the animation blueprint. This part I need to figure out with Weber, because this is some GASP, very complex stuff, so I'm not gonna deal with that right now. But then we make a delay that is the same as how much time we are going to be on the air, which is 3 seconds, and it comes here to set movement mode falling after 3 seconds, and we start falling with a half gravity, so it goes down slow. Then from there I'm trying to reset my movement to normal, but I don't know how. Yeah, I mean I try to do this. Like let's test it out right here. Is there something like that? I think it's AI component. Somebody's saying in the chat you can set the trigger to start when the character collides with the floor. Huh. That's interesting. That's a good one. Yeah, but look at this. Let's try it. This is actually the logic I was going for before I asked you, because this was not really helped me. Let's actually bypass this line trace and let's go directly here. So this is falling false. It means that we are supposed to be execution right there. You're right. So I said like, okay, we are not falling. Let's just trigger the logic, right? But this is the problem. Like, look at this. This is this triggers on everything. Even though I'm trying to set everything to default, it triggers. You see? You see when it falls, there's some kind of like delay, some kind of like weird stuff happening there. It also happens. The problem with the jetpack mode is that the jetpack mode, it is just a boolean that we need to set somewhere. The jetpack trace. Okay, wait, so set here to true, right? Red pins are good, right? Just keep them there. And then we set to false at the end, right? Of the, right here. Okay, so let's call this jetpack mode. Enum. True. So it is falling and jetpack is off. Okay, it's flying, true, and jetpack mode is true. It means, wait, so this confused. This is on here, and then we turn it off at the end, and then this jetpack should be deactivated here, right? This one? No, this is just from movement component. I mean, this is... And I think this is related directly to character movement here. I think that I'm not sure if... After here? Oh. Okay, we set it there. Jump. Right here. Boop, boop, boop. We jump, we go into jetpack mode, then The thing that is confusing me is that this one is gonna be deactivated, right? So the condition won't be met. Hmm. Sorry, this got me a little confused. I appreciate it, Jamal. Let me check this one, and then we will try the collision. It's not line tracing. Okay, let's actually see what happened. I'm just going directly to the logic. Yeah, we're bypassing the line trace just to see what's going on. I believe that we might need to change the checks. It doesn't wanna fire. I think I think we should probably it's confusing, but I think that we need to activate that at the end right here. And now it's flying and jetpack, or no, we can actually leave it like it was, but just change it to false. Instead of true, it's false. So it's not flying, it's not on jetpack mode. Let's go. I think I I think it's like we are not flying, we are not on jetpack, and that way I'm getting away from the walking mode and away from the falling mode, which were causing problems. I appreciate it, Jamal. Let's see. So one. Oh. Fuck. Now he's like. It's like, oh, you're not flying. Oh, you're not in jetpack. Okay, you're not going anywhere. It doesn't let me jump because it's like it's basically we are actually not flying and we are not in jetpack mode, so oh crap, yeah, this one. uh, um so can we try the other way around? Let's change this too and be like, at the end of this logic, let's call it like landing mode, and let's go back to true. And maybe falling, so we are falling, we are on landing mode instead of like jetpack. Let's say call it landing mode. Let's see if we get that delay when we jump one time. That's the biggest issue I'm trying to go over. Let's see. Oh, we don't get it. Nice. We are not getting that delay. Let me double check. It's working good. I'm not getting that delay. So let's try it. A double jump. Okay, we fly. Then we are falling. We are falling. Oh, now it doesn't want to go again. It's falling true. Why is it showing falling as true if we are... Oh crap. Set movement mode. Okay. Oh, okay, wait. Okay. Okay. I think, yeah, we're into something. Let's change this name super quickly to just landing mode, just to understand a little bit more. Oh Jesus. Jet back. Landing mode. Okay. We took the animations off. I'm just trying to test the jetpack logic before adding any. Let's see what happens now. I think you're into something right there. That way, this condition should be true now. Okay, one jump, no delay, double jump. We go into jetpack. Oh, okay, wait. Well, okay, well, we are getting somewhere. So what? Oh crap. This reset does not trigger all of it, or it... This reset might be messing things up. I think it's messing things up. I think we're getting... The reset is coming from the end of the logic. Bad. We should take it off. I think the reset is causing issues. So let's see. One. No, it just takes 5 seconds to play, sorry. One jump. Double jump. Two. Triggers the logic. And it goes back to true, but it does not push me back down slowly. I mean, we do need some kind of delay or something, right? Because it doesn't want to double jump again, cause it's let's see what's going on. Previous movement mode, the green walking. The green one? This one? Oh, I see. Uh-huh. And for some reason, if it is equal to falling, false. But for some reason, uh-huh. It says false. And it's reading as true. Like this branch is doomed. Like, what the hell? It's reading as... Your node is set to do once. I think that do once. Coming from which logic? Here? Ah, you're right. Right here. This one. Okay. That end boolean, it's corrupted. That should be false. It says it right there. 1, 2. Okay. When it's like false. Somebody saying, yeah, somebody saying when you start your event, not start but start jet when is end, and then you start again, start logic event but yet not start. I think he's saying to make a custom event. Huh. I mean, this here is the issue. There's oh, oops. Oh yeah, long list. No, but like, dude, I've been learning so much, like event dispatcher, custom events, interfaces. It's been crazy like these days. Okay. Oh, hey, we got it. Huh? Right there. 1. Is it me or does it feel weird? Oh yeah, yeah, it's it's because it's firing this logic, that walking thing. Oh. I think this is the problem because it's triggering every time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It somebody saying there's a way to uh, a, activate an event while the character collides with the floor. That's what I was. Yeah, I there for characters there is on landed event on landed, but we are I'm using it here and I don't know how to deal with it. So I was trying to set here a variable. I was trying to set something here so it pushes it. Let's actually just let's try custom event. Add custom event. There you go. Yeah, jetpack landing. Do we need to add any input to the custom event? So I also think it's not. This was. There's already built-in solutions, and we call this a jetpack a landing. Oh, right there. Oop. Oh yeah, I can't. We're working on a jetpack. Oh, that. I don't think this project. Okay. Awesome. Oh my god. Custom events. Oh my god. Dude, dude, I knew this, man. I knew this. Okay. Let's see. Ah. This is. Don't worry about that bug because here I'm just doing some like super sketchy stuff by turning off the animation blueprint and putting it back. So uh-huh. Wait. Uh, uh, yeah, I'm super confused right now. Let's test it. Okay. Okay, let's test it. And yeah, from here, like, and onwards, like, we can definitely keep polishing. Okay, one, two. Okay, I'm not getting anything weird. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Go down. Oh crap. Okay, so or, no, and, boolean end. Like that? Oh, so it's gonna execute from false or from jetpack landing. Ah, okay. We are working on a jetpack. This is such a. Uh, oh no! Like, I mean, like, it's awesome because, like, you helped me out, and we got it better. Then I can show this to another friend, and he was like, oh, okay, I think we can do this. Because the more people look at it, it's like, oh wait. False. 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 Oh. Damage. False. I appreciate it. Let's see. I think this is. I appreciate it, weaponized. Let's see. false. We go into jetpack, should be true. Okay. I think the condition is not being met. True. We are working on a jetpack system. Jetpack. No, don't worry. Down. Where uh-huh. Wait, what? We're okay. Okay, so hey, kabuga. Okay, let's see. One jump. Are we getting any weird stuff? No, perfect. Okay, sweet. So, a double jump. We go into jetpack mode. Then we land. Awesome. Awesome. All right, so let me see if I understand. So, jetpack mode condition true, false goes directly, also gets executed. Mm-hmm. No, this is this is good because I do want fall damage from a jetpack if you do it from very high up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's back over to the uh-huh. This piece? Should we? Let's try that. Set it on the beginning or afters. Okay, let's test this one. Oh, this is awesome. About the worm, I haven't tested. Oh, dude, like I've been meeting people on YouTube, dude. Like, just there's like these two guys who like are crazy with blueprints, dude. Like, seriously. Oh, what the hell is not stopping? No need for that stuff. Yeah. And this looks crazy. I think since we are on flying mode, maybe gravity scale is not needed, and there's a lot of stuff here that we could probably clean up. But dude, this is awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so nice. Okay. Can't wait to get the animation working. Oh my god, dude, that would be so nice. So you told me about the worm. Yeah. All right, let's check that out. Let me go 2 1. Let me load this up super quickly. It was named crash site, and then it was named the other one was named just basically cranking up the fog. The less we see, the less we render. And it looks nice though, like it's like perfect. Yeah, well, we will need to it needs to run, that's for sure. Outside industrial area. Okay, activate and load. And let me show you this other cocoon enemy. It's so fun. Okay, and just activate. Okay, perfect. Oop. Okay, so this is like the crash landing, the escape pod. Little parachute somewhere there. And then here you get like a weapon, and wait, where's it not playing my effects? Okay, well, whatever. Here we had some more fire and stuff. It's not playing. That's strange. Anyways, I don't want to hold you too much. Let's see. We had some particles there, some fire. That's concerning. I'm sure I had some fire there. Let me just play super quick and see. I appreciate it. Maybe. Oh yeah, yeah, it was not activated for some reason. So this worms jump at you, and when it's damaged, it goes and finds other worms. It's like rock rolling. We need to actually ragdoll it properly. Oh, dude, ragdolling and physics body, dude, that's insane, dude. Like, I had a rough time with that the other day. Oh yeah, let me just show you this. The cocoon. So the cocoon, you can shoot it and poof, comes down, and you can keep shooting it, and then it like ragdolls, kind of. Like, I got shot now. And then you can also activate it. You can also activate the cocoon by walking down it. So it's kind of cool little logic. So the thing with the worm, let's go to the worm. And also I got some drones that I want to show you, but let's just focus on the other thing. Let me go back to a clean space somewhere here, and I want to show you it's a little messy. Let me try to explain. So let's say we have a box spawner here, right? There's a volume. Alright, so this volume works super nicely because the logic that I'm using for this is just the RPG engine. The problem with the worm is that the parent of the Blackboard behavior tree is coming from the RPG engine, but the child comes from the Boss AI toolkit. I'm mixing two different behavior trees together, and it just does not activate properly. You see, this guy comes out, and it just activates right there, but the worm does not like to do that. So let me check. Let me check for the worm spawner. A worm spawner. Let's put it somewhere here. So when I hit that space, the worm comes out but does not attack. But this is the funny thing. It works if you spawn inside the box. Like, look at this. Right there. And it's like, hey, what's up, dude? Like, you're supposed to... No, it's not attacking. But if I spawn inside the box, now it activates. It's some weird stuff. So I spawn here, and the worm should attack now. You see? Now it's attacking. Am I receiving? The actual worm blueprint is right here. The worm blueprint is right here. BP other project. Placed in world, or okay, you are taking two. Yeah, I remember you sending me this message, and I'm like, I need to test this out. Let's see, because if this works, this will help me optimize a lot the project, because that way I won't have the things just spawned in there. Oh wait! Oh, what the hell! It works. Even though you. Hmm. Hmm. This is this is actually yeah this is a blueprint where the thing just jumps out of the ground kind of thing, but not I haven't finished that one. I I kind of wanna I kind of wanna see how is this set up? Is this box set up like you said? Because that will make a lot of sense. Oh, placed in world. Ah, to. Mm, I'm using behavior trees. Uh, yeah, probably. But I mean, that's awesome. That's super awesome. Hey, it works. Now we can actually spawn things. That way, I don't need to have all these things in the game. The other thing that, well, this is a question for the developer of the template, because whenever they die and I want to kill the actor, destroy component or actor, it freezes the gives me a frame drop, like a heavy frame drop, like for 0. 0.1 second. It is very noticeable. So I'm not destroying actors so far, which is not good, but I need to figure that out with the developer. The thing comes, it triggers here, death all, right here. So death all, dead, poop poop poop, get component, get correct owner. If it dies, there's a dissolve effect, a stopping movement, and restore each token. And for some reason, after this dissolve effect, there is a frame drop, like heavy frame drop, like poof. You can really tell when you have a many enemies. It's like ooh, you can really tell when you kill them, and that's. Mm, again, casting. The deadliest. The deadliest node in Unreal. Mm-hmm. Oh yes. The, the, No, these two, we no, I think these two we don't need. Yeah, this is my own integration. This is super funky. Yeah. Oh, after? Death all takes care of. Ah, no, is this dissolve? Yeah. Wait, yeah. Destroy. Wait, sorry. Destroy. Destroy. Let me double check the death all logic. Just this is disconnected. Everything else is in there. Okay, let's try it. No need to do it again. Yeah, I think I deleted them, but we got some worms here. Takes a little bit. Oh, I have full damage. Oh crap! Oops! I was not smart. Oh crap! No, damn it. Respawn. Oh, we got a checkpoint system also going. Right here. Sorry. These are the same worms. We got the cocoons, the worms. Okay, now we got it. Okay. Hey, it doesn't give me that nasty delay. Nasty. Oh, what the hell was that? No, I don't know. I don't know what was that. I don't know what the hell was that. Hey. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, nice. Oh, so depending on the amount of enemies, it was like doing it on everybody? Ah, I see. I see why it was. Oh, that was funny. That was funny. No, it's not. It's not. Nope. Not getting that stuff right there. That's awesome. That's so nice. Oh, what is hitting me? Okay. They rotate some. There's a lot of polishing to do. And I also learned how to do the energy system. So like 1, 2, and out of energy cannot dash anymore. And what else is checkpoint system? The fall damage also we got that figured out. This Yeah, we're doing it with acceleration. Um, hmm And it actually I like the settings a lot. It really feels right. What I was going to do, but yeah, I really appreciated Ninja. It was awesome. No, but like, uh, yeah. I am not very happy with that effect. Might not use it. I think I might do something different depending on the creature. That dissolve effect. Dude, that line trace. Let's. Oh yeah, yeah. No, this is awesome. I mean, like this is kind of like it's kind of cool because I mean, like if you show something to somebody, it's way easier to work on top of it because sometimes you just come like, hey, how can I do the jetpack, and everybody's like, dude, I don't even know where your double jump logic is or whatever, like. So this is nice. Yeah, dude, yeah, dude, let. Mm-hmm. Coastal. Oh, motion matching. Oh wow, dude, oh, definitely. Is it cool if I show it on stream? No, don't worry. Oh wow, how do you get on all these betas? Nice, that's awesome, dude. That looks nice. Nice. That's so nice, dude. I like medieval games for sure. Dude, that looks nice. Like medieval stuff. Hmm. Oh, I like that. Oh, dude, that's nice. Oh wow, but I see the blending right there. Dude, it's so nice that you're getting into motion matching because, dude, like that's something I would like to understand. It's crazy complex. Mm-hmm. But like, I'm wondering, could you just retarget the UFN animations to yours? Mm-hmm. I think in the RPG engine they have the heavy jump turned off or something. I was looking into it today. Need to show you how it's set up there. Um, mhm. Oh yeah, no, no, definitely. Gasp is not like flawless. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. That looks super clean. Wow. But yeah, I'll let you enjoy Mistfall. Let me know how it goes. You too. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, this is awesome! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! I can't believe I can't believe. Can't believe how many uh, uh, super happy. Oh my god. Okay. Now the bug spawners, the worm spawners are working. We got the checkpoint working. I'm working on the um working um on the jetpack. Wow, it's been super exciting. Not sure why my particles are not firing up on the editor, but that's whatever. Yay. Okay. I think I can probably chill out a little bit and do some art stuff. Okay, I'll be right back. Yay. Why I'm getting so bad performance? Such a bad performance. That's strange. Huh. Why is it dropping so much? That's better. Okay. Is it the fire or what? This. Is it the unlanded logic that I modified? Let me see. Ooh. What time is it? 11. I can't believe how addictive this is. I go deep into a rabbit hole, get stuck, get fixed, get it fixed, and then I'm like, let's try something harder. The never-ending loop. So, okay, jetpack is being worked on. Then I want to have like laser weapon that you can like charge and release. I will love that stuff. A parachute system. No, we have the jetpack. No need for that. That's a little bit off. And yeah, just polish the enemies, and yeah, and stay inside the scope. That's the most difficult thing. Stay inside the scope. Can't wait to work on the menus, on the UI, and get all the cool stuff going. Sound. The worms need the same logic as the cocoons and the drone. They need to be alerted on being shot. What? What was that? Is that like a stun VFX or something? Huh. think it's time to... We need another VFX for this, something different. This doesn't really represent the area. The amount of damage, the area damage that I'm trying to cover. We need something more like a poison gas instead of like some fluids. Let me change the... Oh, checkpoints, yeah. We have checkpoints now. I will probably, yeah, it will be nice to set them up before I forget. Desktop, downloads. Awesome, I'm not getting a frame drop when enemies die, when the enemy dies. Ugh, my aim is so bad. Oh my god. Get it, get it. Get it. Awesome. I should probably go to bed and chill out. Oh, now we cannot fall down because we have fall damage. I cannot infinitely dash. Crap. Get it. We gonna get that jetpack. We gonna get it working very nicely. Oh, getting some pretty nasty frame drops. I think it's time to reset the editor, because this is supposed to be running way better. No. Oh, okay, we survived. Okay. Yeah, the fall damage feels very good. It's not... It is very nice. I think for the amount of verticality I'm gonna have, I think it's good. I should probably wait and get some food. Oh, you can filter by item. That's very cool stuff. Nice. Now we got some healing. We need to do the same. Yeah. We need to activate by distance and by shooting. It would be nice to change the health bar to have it like very little somewhere on the top, but very tiny, so it's not so in your face. Overlap. I forgot about that print string. Overlap. Okay. This is gonna be cool. Ooh, but yeah. Okay, before I go, just very quickly, I'm going to get my respawn point, checkpoint. Let's get the checkpoint moved here. Oh, that's the wrong side. Yeah. I actually need to test it. If actually multiple checkpoints work. Awesome. Oh, it kind of looks nice like this. I'm gonna play with the weather so much. Oh, we have a lot of flickering. That texture is repeating too much. Too much. I need to correct that. Okay, let's see. We don't want to step on that character, nope. That's kind of funny. Definitely want to get rid of that. Alright, so respawn. Perfect. Respawn is working. I need to test it multiple times with multiple checkpoints. But yep, it's time to take it easy. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.